Vocational High School 1 Kinali is located in Kinali, West Pasaman. It's located at Tiuku Umar Road, Kilometer 1, Padang Kuranji, Kapundong, Kinali. Vocational High School 1 Kinali has approximately 2 hectares and it has 6 majors such as audio, video, computer network, office administration, accounting, multimedia, and automotive. This school was founded in 2008 and inaugurated in 2009. That consists of 2 majors, audio, video, and computer network. The first headmaster was Raflisman SPD, then continued by Emri SPD since year education 2013 and 2014 was led by Shahrul MPD till now. Vocational High School 1 Kinali consists of some facilities such as studying room, laboratory yard, and other facilities that support students' activity at school. The audio videos major was the old one. It educated students about the electronic file. For example, making electronic amplifier and repairing other electronic device. In other side, computer network, also the old one in Vocational High School 1 Kinali. It educated students about computer network and other files that's related to computer. Multimedia major educated students about how to mastery of art and a graphic design technique skill to produce the item which has high selling value. The automotive major educated students about how to making and repairing, carrying motorcycle correctly, and then students also study about understanding of motorcycle business. The office administration educated students to use various of office programs such as Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel, and others. And students will be learn how to be a good employee. The accounting major educated students to use office programs such as Microsoft Office, Microsoft Excel, and other programs too. Students also learn deeper about how to manage about accounting.